afternoon, everybody. Mala has already given a very aggressive introduction about us, but we are real estate developers operating in Pune since past 30 years. So far, we have delivered almost 25,000 happy homes all across the city of Pune, city of Bangalore, and city of Mumbai. As our managing director said just a moment ago, we would like to proudly claim that whether it is certified or not, or whether it is registered to any rating agency or not, each and every single project that we construct is by default green. We have adopted the environmental management system, which is EMS 14001, way back in 2000, which is almost 14 years back from now. Whatever we think, whatever Yep. So I was mentioning that whatever we do, whatever we decide, whatever we think, its impact on environment is thoroughly analyzed first in our system, in our policies. We had India's first private residential project certified as Griha 3-star rated, which is Ganga Skies. We have Pune's first 5-star rated eco-housing project, which is Ganga Bhagyodaya and Amrut Ganga in our kitty. We believe on not just words, but action. So, since morning, lot has been talk about what is green, how we can go green. By our policy, as in the morning, our mayor has rightly said, ki green manat asaila paije. That's what she said. So, as our policy, the green is in our blood. So how exactly we do green, we go green. First thing I would like to mention that much has been talked about whether going green is expensive, whether it will cost more or not. Whatever projects we have done so far, which are already green, we have ended up in saving some cost. How I will mention you from now. There are many criteria which are set for the green buildings, but some things apart from the documentation and actually doable does contribute a lot in the green buildings. The first thing is, we are the first developer in the city to implement on-site ready-mix concrete batching plant almost 15 years back from now. You all know that concrete is a major element in our construction industry. So on-site RMC plant is not only benefits in good quality concrete, but also add value to the green. It optimizes the consumption of cement, aggregate and sand, which are major elements of concrete. The transportation cost of concrete is hugely reduced. The labor requirement goes down drastically. Then the quality of concrete is 100% assured. The second thing which we done is we have started using the fly ash way back in 1995-1996, and till today I can say that we have reduced our cement consumption by as much as 25% in the concrete itself. Third thing which we have implemented, that we slowly reduced and now almost nullified the use of natural river sand in our projects, which is major cause of deteriorating our rivers. We have replaced the use of river sand by crushed sand. Of course, the crushed sand is much cheaper, widely available, and certainly greener than the river sand. The fourth thing which we have implemented, that we have started using autoclaved aerated concrete blocks in all of our projects for all the masonry works which we do in our residential and commercial projects way back in 2005-2006. And now we are proud to say that we have reduced the use of red clay bricks as low as just 1% in all of our projects, which is a major environmentally hazardous product, which ruin the high fertile clay bricks and black cotton soil. By using autoclaved aerated concrete blocks, we just not only saved the black cotton soil, but also, believe it or not, our buildings have become lightweight by almost 12 to 15%. Because the density of the clay bricks is 20 to 100 kilogram per meter cube, And whereas the density of autoclaved aerated concrete block is somewhere between 650 to 750 kilogram per meter cube. So it not only reduced the wall's weight, but reduced the consumption of concrete and steel in our building by 10 to 12%. So the significant cost difference you can mark over here. Further, in the morning, our Honorable Mayor has mentioned about the natural light and ventilation in the project. I need not have to explain you the importance of natural light and ventilation, but I would like to mention that how precisely you can achieve natural light and ventilation in your residential project. By providing the window to wall ratio of just 26%, we can naturally illuminate as much as 75% of our floor area. We have taken a policy decision that we will reduce the sill height by just 1 foot in all of our window openings, and to achieve this, and just try and provide the openings on minimum 2 walls of each and every rooms on the exterior surface of that particular room for natural air and cross ventilation. By doing just this, we have saved almost 15% of our electricity bill and the consumption of electricity. We have the numbers we would like to share also with you guys. Where in daytime, in any of our project, you need not have to switch on your ACs and your light points. So these are just basic steps I have mentioned due to time constraint, and there are many more things which are easily implementable and widely available. To conclude, I again want to emphasize that going green is not expensive, but in fact you will end up in saving in cost and saving in environment. Thank you.